Welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. So earlier on I talked about uh, what I want to see gold doing before uh, it sells off. So I would like to share my view using MetaTrader 5 on my phone. Uh, Earlier on I was using TradingView, but now it's refusing to open, so I'll be using MetaTrader 5. So like I said earlier on the first video, I said my name is Isaac Mauluka. I'm from Botswana, a forex trader in Botswana, and also I'm a partner with Xauusd. And if you want to uh, go and look onto Xauusd, see the service they provide. Uh, it is the best broker. Just go and check it. So you'll see um, our link on the description uh, section. Click on the link, register account, and see the services that Xauusd provides. And also, after you register your account, you'll have access to our free mentorship, which means that you have to get in touch with us. I will leave our details also on the uh, description sector below. So this is the continuation of the lesson that, or the prediction lesson that I posted earlier. So I'll be using MetaTrader 5 in this uh, case of study on my phone. Sorry, I'm not using a laptop now, but we'll post other videos using a laptop. So for those who already know how to trade, who already know forex, you know that MetaTrader 5, the platform that we use to execute our trades, to buy or sell, or even connect it with uh, brokers that we use. So my view, or what I think gold has to do before it sells off, is this. If you can look around uh, this area, you will see that there is an imbalance in price that gold has left. So an imbalance in price means that this was a sharp run in price. The market makers pushed price down, uh, uh, and they broke character or changed character of a trend around this low, and also a liquidity sweep around this low. So before they can continue with the trend, they've changed character too. So change of character, I've told my student that change of character means change of trend, or change of character is aligned with change of trend. But before we can talk of change of character, around this area you will see that there's a break of market structure, there's a break of structure around these lows, I mean around these highs. So meaning that the break of structure, as said, it is continuation of price or trend. So hence in this case study, gold has been bullish, as we can see, and as it was bullish, we saw price creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So on those higher highs and higher lows, we see price breaking structure on the upward trend, or breaking structure as it keeps on going upward. And then this high, or the swing high, that came on the 1st of February, it is the high of the month that gold has created. So gold has already created the high of the month, which also made a change of character when we saw price rallying down on price, selling off, and breaking or changing character around this area. And so what I want to see gold do is for it to retrace back and balance price that it has left, that is unbalanced above there, above uh here. So I want price to come, or gold to come by to this area. And also we have our order block, which is this candlestick. So I want price to come and retest that level and sell off. That's when I'll say gold will continue selling for a long period of time. But also I want to give um, another insight using the Fibonacci retracement. The Fibonacci tool, um, like the name, uh, it is a mathematical concept that uh, that is used to identify potential support and resistance level in the market. So the Fibonacci sequence is based on the Fibonacci ratios, which are a series of numbers that describe the relationship between two successive numbers. These ratios are often used to create Fibonacci retracement level, which are commonly used by traders, which is us, me, and you, to find entries and exit points. So in this case, for you to use this Fibonacci level, if the trend is an upward trend, then the 100 will be below the low, and the 0 point or the first scale level will be at our highest level. But in this scenario, gold has changed trend. Now it's selling off, which means we'll be taking it, the 100 level will be at the highest point of the market that we are currently on. Then our low, or the first profit scale, will be below the low that gold is created in this month, or in our time frame in this manner. So after we label uh, or after we place the Fibonacci tool or Fibonacci retracement, then we'll see levels that gold will likely to sell off from. So the first level is the OTE, which is the optimal trade entry. Optimal trade entry is a level in the market that mostly the market makers uses that area to enter price at those level after rebalancing it. So we are likely to see gold railing up or buying to come to this level, or even above there, retesting our order block. So the scenarios will be two. We might see that retracement and gold selling off from that area. In another case, we might see the market makers we might see the market makers retesting around the OTE, or the optimal trade entry. So another scenario will be around here. So these are the two levels that we will be looking at, two levels that we will be observing if price comes back to reprice that market. So I'll take off these two so that I can probably show you where we might sell gold. So we might sell gold around uh, around this order block. So probably that tail is also an imbalance in price. So we want to see price retracing to that level. If you have tuned, if you just tuned in on this lesson right now, I would love to see you subscribe or pressing the subscribe button below, and also clicking on the bell icon, uh, so that you may get all the notifications whenever we post any video or any lesson that we teach or provide. So around that area, so this will be our selling point. We'll be selling gold around that area if it happens that price will buy to reprice the market. Then our stop loss will be above this order block, or above that high, above that high. So that will be where we'll place our stop loss. So would like you to see price moving back or tracing back to fill those areas. We might see uh, price retracing back to those areas, that we apply. And also, like I said, I'm a partner with Xauusd. If you want the best services that a broker can provide, kindly check uh, the link on our description sector, or the description section. Then register your account, and uh, you can go and check what Xauusd, or how Xauusd takes care of its client. So register your account with Xauusd, and after that, talk to us. You'll get our details on the description sector also, where you can contact us so that we can give you free mentorship. But this free mentorship, you access it only after you have registered your account, using the link that will be provided below with Xnet. So click on the link, open account. After registering your account, talk to me. You'll get free mentorship and free signals every day. So like I said, this is what I want to see gold do. So this level around here, that's our order block. That's our order block. So we want to see price tracing to that area so that you can feel that imbalance and retest that order block. So probably the reason why I labeled from here to there where our entry will be is because most of the time price only feels the tail of the order block before it continues a trend. So that tail of that order block is probably an imbalance also in price. So that's where we'll enter our market around uh, around level 2054.1 0.915. Then our stop loss will be above that high, which is around 2065.216. So those are the levels that we want to see gold going to retracing to fill in the imbalance and continue selling off to this low, which will be our take profit, our take profit. So this is that will be our first take profit in the market. So also, if you can use the Fibonacci to check the levels that targeted levels that the market may go to. So you can just use the Fibonacci. So the stop loss above the first TP around that low. So your TP will be around here. The second one will be around that low. Then etc. etc. So the 79% level is where we want to see gold going to. So that is it from me. Let's see how it will play out. Thank you for tuning in, and like I said before, if you want to register account with Xauusd and see the best services they provide, we'll give you the link on the description below. Click on the link, register your account, and after registering your account, talk to me. You'll have access to our free mentorship and also free signals that we provide each and every day. So that's it from me. Have a lovely trading week.